Want to get your friends to vote on something? You can now easily do that in group chats on iMessage. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to run a poll in an iMessage group chat on iPhone. Now let's get started. To run a poll in an iMessage group chat, open the Messages app and go to the group chat you want to run a poll in. Tap the plus sign on the left. Then tap Store. Tap the search icon. Then search for Polls for iMessage. Tap Get. Use Face ID or enter your password to confirm. Then wait for the app to be installed. Now you can close the App Store window. Tap the plus sign again and select Polls. Then tap Get Started. Type in a title for your poll. Tap Next. Now type in options for your friends to choose from. Tap Create Another to add another option. Once you've added all the options, you can tap Settings to customize how you want your poll to be run. You can choose whether or not to allow everyone to see who voted for each option, allow others to add additional options, automatically declare a winner once everyone has voted, and if you want to allow people to vote for multiple options. Leave these options checked if you want to allow them, or uncheck them if you don't want to use one of these settings. Once you've configured your poll settings how you want them, tap Back. Then tap Send Poll. Your friends can then tap on the poll, select the option they want to vote for, and tap Send Vote to indicate their choice. That's all it takes to run a poll in iMessage. Another useful iMessage feature is text formatting and effects. Check out this tutorial next to learn how to use them. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.